BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Windows 10 and Windows 11 have a built-in Magnifier app. So I thought in this video we could take a quick look, in case you are unaware, how to use the magnifier to zoom in on Windows. And the process is very similar on both operating systems. So you can follow the steps in this video for both Windows 10 and 11. Now, using the magnifier to zoom in can be helpful to take a closer look at icons on your screen. As an example, you can also look at your menus and other items, just to mention one or two examples. And it goes without saying that using the magnifier to zoom in can be very handy if you are, say, visually impaired, or if not, you may just want to locate smaller objects on your screen as an example, or in the settings, and using the magnifier to zoom in can be very helpful in that regard. Now, the easiest way to launch and get to the Magnifier app would be just to head to your search. Just do a search for Magnifier, and you can actually then just launch the Magnifier app from the search menu. But to get to the actual settings where you can change different settings and options for the app, we need to go to the start menu, head over to your settings, and on Windows 11 you would head over to your accessibility menu, and on Windows 10 that would be your ease of access menu. And then you just click on Magnifier, and that will open the magnifier page. And this page, give or take, is very similar, and the options and settings are very similar on both Windows 10 and 11. Now here we can turn on the Magnifier app, which will launch the app, and you can also do that, as mentioned, straight from doing a search for Magnifier and launching that from the search. And here we have a couple of options. You can start Magnifier before sign in, you can start Magnifier after sign in. And here you have a zoom level, which is set to 100% by default, and you can decrease those increments, and you can also increase those increments as the default zoom level. And here we can actually just zoom in and out directly from the settings page as another example. And if we just head out of the actual settings app, if we head to the app on the desktop, this can actually be minimized, so you don't always have to display it on your desktop. And I'm just going to zoom into 300% for the purposes of this video. And there you can see that's quite drastic, but nonetheless, just to give you an example, and there's my taskbar icons, and I can move over to my system tray, and that will follow your mouse cursor everywhere on the screen. And you, as mentioned, you don't have to have the actual app open on your screen. You can actually just minimize that to get it out the way. And then I can take that down to 200%. We can up that to 400%, which is quite extreme. And then we can take that down to 100% as default. And that will apply to all aspects of your operating system. So if we just head to the File Explorer, you get the idea. You can also zoom in the File Explorer and on the File Explorer as well. So just want to let you know, in case you're unaware, that there is a Magnifier app available, which will be particularly handy if you have a visual impairment, and if not, just to locate those hard to find objects in these settings or on your screen. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.